Hello everyone, I am Christy. Are you tired of struggling financially? Well, there's a solution with the new money on Flier. I firmly believe that you can earn up to $10,000 monthly with this mailbox cash money on Flier right from the comfort of your home. Let's get serious for a moment. I'm absolutely passionate about financial success, and I think you should be too. Are you tired of being broke? It's time to take action. This incredible opportunity empowers you to effortlessly increase your monthly earnings by sharing your personalized money on Flier. What sets this opportunity apart? You have the potential to earn $1,500 daily, and you'll receive 5 books of stamps when someone joins. Embark on your journey of working from home and become the driving force behind turning others' dreams into tangible achievements by distributing your customized flyer. You'll enjoy the satisfaction of receiving both cash money and stamps directly in your mailbox as a guaranteed outcome. Always remember, your thoughts determine what you want, but your actions determine what you get. So, take action now. For any inquiries or more information, please visit www.allyourmoney.net or get in touch with Rick at 346-704-1754. Don't let this opportunity slip through your fingers. Start your path to wealth with the money on Flyers today.